Okay, what's up guys? Give you a first style tour here. We're so close to opening our supplement store, and I thought it's a good time to post of what we have going on here. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of this whole operation of First Style Supplements, which is our retail supplement stores with our own supplement line, and also all the best brands in Canada and States will be carrying here. And then on the back side we have First Style Apparel going on, so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of that and go through what we have going on. So let's flip the cam and give you a little tour. Okay, so right when we get here, we got our fridge here. This is all gonna be stocked up with Bang energy drinks. We have some other energy drinks coming up soon as well, which I'm not gonna tell you about, but you'll see. And then more protein bars. And then on this side here, we have like the gainer wall. It all goes down to the proteins, more proteins, Isoflex. And then we got our own line here, the Iso Health. It's a grass-fed isolate protein with 28 grams of protein per scoop. No sugars, no artificial sweeteners. It's sweetened with stevia, 120 calories here. Look at the packaging on this, guys. It took us multiple tries until we perfected it. It's like a matte finish with a matte label with chrome finish. It's super cool. New Zealand grass-fed isolate protein. And then we got your Isoflex, you have the diesels, and then here we have the BCA section. My personal favorite one here is, where is it? The Amino Energy here is really good, but oh, the EAAs is what I'm going for. The BCA is really good if you guys are going for like recovery, muscle recovery, muscle soreness, things like that. But EAAs is the new deal, which is it does everything that BCA does because usually it comes with it. But the EAA blend also helps with muscle growth. You know, we're trying to get the gains. So, okay, back here on the other side we have the pre-workout wall. We got our Supernovas, Madness, Optimum pre-workout is really good as well. The C4 Ultimate is really good. Prophecy, Gym, All Max, Rave, and then you got your creatines. Also a cool product here as well. It's the Crealkaline EFX powder form. So basically it's the same version of the pills if you guys have taken that before, but the powder form it has 333 servings in it, and the only difference between the normal monohydrate and the Crealkaline is this is a much purer form, so you won't get as much water retention and bloating out of it, and the strength gains you still keep, so it's really high quality versus the normal monohydrate. And then the Purple K, Micronize, creatine, then some test boosters. We have a couple more test boosters coming as well, but this one here is a really good one by Mutant. What else we got here? All your fat burners. Super nice product. The Super HD tastes really good as well. Obviously your L-carnitines, and this one here is my, sorry I shut it off. This one here, the Carnibolic, is my favorite fat burner. It's literally just 4 ingredients: the L-carnitine, green tea extract, green coffee bean, and a fruit peel called tamarind, I believe. Yeah. So it's really good for your fat loss, your water retention, so it depletes water as well because of the green tea. And then the L-carnitine also helps with energy and fat loss. Sick product. Oh, and then we have the dopamine, obviously. That's also one of our own supplements. It's a nootropic formula. So this is really good for your focus, memory, alertness. If you look at the ingredients here, it's got a bunch of cool ingredients to help you, like lion's mane, L-theanine for mental focus. It has 100 milligrams of caffeine, which is like a small to medium coffee, so it's really not much. And the L-theanine and caffeine go really well together to enhance your energy and your mental focus. Then you got your ginkgo, your ginseng, alpha GPC, magnesium to counteract anything that potentially would give you a headache. So magnesium takes that away, and then vitamin B12 as well for some extra energy. It's also a sick product. You guys can buy that if you're interested. All of the products actually, but specifically our line on our website as well, which is firsthealthofficial.com. Okay, and then we got we have our multi-CO2, the fish oils. This whole area is going to be stocked up. We have more veggies and vitamins, minerals, veggie greens, these kind of products coming in probably tomorrow. So this whole area is going to be stacked up, and then here we have a bunch of snacks, and then that area is going to be more snacks coming soon as well. If you haven't tried any, guys, definitely try these snacks. The protein wafers are so good by Optimum. I'm sure a lot of supplement stores around you carry them, or not. I haven't seen too many in Canada, but in States, if you guys are watching from there, you guys would have it. And then up here, we have our apparel line. We have Igley over there. What's up, Igley?
What's up, guys?
Yeah. So the apparel line, here we have the Flex leggings that we'll be selling in our store too. And then the Flex tops. We have Flex tank tops for guys, Flex t-shirts, and then Flex sweaters. Most of the sales are coming online, but it's just good to offer in our store too. And then here, we didn't talk about the shake bar. It's a little dirty right now, but for the shake bar, we have 2 TVs up there. One's gonna be a cool menu that we're making right now with some funky drinks, and then a build your own shake too. And then the other one will be playing just ads of new collections and new product launches, things like that. And then, because we have a bunch of gyms around us, we'll be offering like single serving products. So your protein shakes, your BCAAs, pre-workouts, things like that. But this is what we have going on today. Me and Igley have been just literally working on organizing this whole store because we're pretty close to the grand opening. Igley, when's the grand opening?
March 20th, 23rd.
Yeah, what kind of sale are we doing?
Buy one, get one half off on everything. You can make some
Whole store. And then we're giving away free prizes too. The whole
3 bags, full of it.
Yeah, samples, shaker cups, t-shirts, and then everyone's getting a free shake too. You can get Igley if you want as well. But let's go to the back. So before I show you guys what's on the other side, this and this is completely different. First Health supplements, and then here is First Health apparel. That's where we're doing our distribution here. We still have a few boxes there that need to be put up here and here. But yeah, the most of it is stocked up. Give you guys a little tour of what we have going on. Everything is in sizes. Some of our products are sold out now as well. And then the quantity you see here is very limited. We introduced 3 new colors up here, the Dove, the Stone, and the White. And it's already pretty low in stock, but this is where we do all our fulfilling of orders, the shipments, and things like that. But thought I'd give you guys a little tour of boat size. Maybe we'll get like a First Health apparel sign here. But yeah, totally separate company. We have the light teal, the black, the sandstone, the dark teal, moon rock, all those colors, the peach, and then we got tops up there as well. And then over there we're gonna fill with the rest of women's stuff, and then here is where all like the men's stuff is gonna go down. But yeah, guys, there it is. I haven't posted a while on YouTube because we've been so occupied with everything, but if you guys want to tell me what's going on with you, or you have any questions, you want to ask me about how we fulfill our orders and things like that, but bring it on. So I'm just outside here at a door, but yeah, I'll leave you guys there. Peace. Before I do leave you, I just want to reiterate that our grand opening is March 20th to 23, and we're located north of Etobicoke, around Woodbine. If if you want to know the address, just put in the comments below and I can contact you. But if you guys are in the Toronto GTA area, Etobicoke, Mississauga, Brampton, Vaughan, whatever, come by. The whole store is going to be on sale. We're giving prizes to everyone. And if you can't, then just check out the website firstsouthapparel.com or firstsouthofficial.com, where you can still get our apparel line, our supplement line with express shipping. We do 2 to 3 day of shipping, delivered anywhere. And yeah, you can't see that because the camera's pointing my way. But yeah, guys, come by, come check us out if you're in the area. If not, follow us on Instagram, First Health. We do express shipping, like I said, as well, if you need any products. We don't only carry our brand or our supplement line, but we have all the best brands, like I showed you as well, like the Cellucor, Allmax, the Perfect Sports, all that good stuff. So, all right, guys, peace. Have a good day.